guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. This week's video, I want to share, I guess kind of like a haul. I'm not sure what to call it exactly, but I am basically getting ready to decorate for Valentine's Day and kind of like those holidays. So it's after Christmas. I took everything down after New Year and it looks very bare. So I like to put up a couple of things for Valentine's Day. I have some videos on Valentine's Day decor from last year. I'll link below for you because I am going to use a lot of that stuff that I already have. I just purchased a couple of new things that I want to share with you. And also I went to the Target dollar spot and of course I want to share that with you. So instead of making two separate videos, I'm combining like a Target dollar spot and home decor Valentine's Day. I don't know. We'll see what it turns out. I am redoing my hot cocoa bar. I have one out for Christmas, or I had one out for Christmas, and I just want to give it a little makeover to make it look a little more matching the new decorations that are going to be up. So kind of like some pinks and reds. I bought a couple of things for that, and once I've decorated, I'll probably do like a home tour with Valentine's Day decorations. Starting with Target, I bought these mugs for the hot cocoa bar. I definitely drink hot cocoa all the way into February, so I feel like it's okay to have your hot cocoa bar out, you know, from December to February. So these are the mugs, and they're from the Opal House collection. I also picked these mugs up. They're from the Target dollar spot. I also purchased this cocoa bar banner. It's kind of like a gold color. I don't think I'll use it on my cocoa bar, but if I ever host a party and have like a cocoa bar, I want to have the banner. I love decorating for parties as well. So this is what it looks like. It was only $1 and I think it's super cute. Next, I picked up these two wooden signs. These are it. One is for like coffee and then one is for hot cocoa. I got these little canisters. They're super cute. I got red and white. And what I love about these is that they have like a gold lid and they have this like little heart detailing on there. Next items are really not Valentine's Day, but I just thought they were cute and I'd want to share them, so they're the Target dollar spot. I have some measuring cups and measuring spoons, and I just thought, so this is what they look like. They're rose gold on the top, which of course I love rose gold, and the bottoms kind of look like marble, if you can if the camera's picking it up. Next, I have this tiered stand. I am not sure where I'm gonna put it. I was thinking of spray painting it, but I'm not sure. I kind of like the black color in it. This is it. Next, I have this letter board, and I think it's cute for my office or the hot cocoa bar. I'm not sure yet. I couldn't find the letters, but apparently they did have them, but they sold out. It's this, so it's this pink letter board. I love the pink and white in it. Moving on, I did start shopping for this stuff right after Christmas. So what I feel like, you can get a lot of Christmas stuff in the color red and use it for like Valentine's Day decorations. So I'm gonna share a couple of things that were from like the Christmas clearance, and everything was like 50 or 70% off. Here is a Christmas table runner, and it's from Opal House. It's velvet red. It's kind of it's not a super deep red. I can't describe this red. It was only $5. So I am gonna kind of do like a Valentine's Day tablescape, so I'll definitely share it with you guys in the tour. The next couple of items are also from the Christmas clearance section. They're from Opal House as well. And it's these red candlesticks. I just thought they were really cute. And then I got these smaller ones as well. I'm thinking they'll either be cute on my tablescape or on my mantle. Moving on, I got a couple of plates, and they're also from Opal House, which I didn't know, but they're salad plates, and I think they'll look really pretty on top of white plates, and that's what I'm planning to use them with. I hope it works out, but these are it. These were only $2 and I purchased 4 of them so far. I'm not sure if I'm gonna probably get 2 more, I'm not sure yet. The last thing I got from Target is for my mantle or my tablescape. Not sure as well yet, but I thought it was really cute, and it's this garland with like faux flowers on there, and this is what it looks like. Really cute. I feel like I could use it into like the springtime for sure. Moving on to Michael's. I bought some Christmas decor to use for Valentine's Day as well. It was on clearance, like super inexpensive, but it's basically these light up letters, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use these on my mantle. So they're these wood letters, kind of like distressed wood, with white painting on them. I bought 4 of them and it'll spell out love. That's everything I have to share with you for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.